Gotta press the button. Yeah, like here. See? Watch, Grandma show you. Yeah, that's it. Fun? That's the wrong hole, baby boy. That's the right one. Hit the button. You gotta hit the button. Right here. That's the way to do it. No, you gotta put it in this hole. Here. Gotta put it there. Guess it would probably work if you put it there, but it's more fun if you put it here. Put it in there. Typical boy, he's gonna try to figure out some other way to do it. Put it here, in this hole. There. Now press the button. That's right. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, put that one in the hole. In the hole here. See? Yeah, you gotta put that one in the hole, kid. Yeah. Oh, in the hole. It turned off now. Is that okay? Yeah, I think so. Oh, you turned it on again. That frog's getting you. Yeah. Put him back. Put him back in there. Let's see. Watch. See? Oh. You want to see what's in there. That's just being a boy. Has to see how it works. Gotta hear the click. Watch. Gotta hear the click. There. See? It's gonna click, baby boy.